Wagwan family, so in this video I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style sweet potato pie. So here I have 2 pounds of potato. I wash them, rub oil on them, roast them in the air fryer until they come soft. Now I'm just going to peel them off and mash them with the potato ricer. Here I add 1 cup coconut milk, add brown sugar, condensed milk, melted butter. Here I'm going to add 3 eggs. All the ingredients going to list below. Now I'm adding some vanilla, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, some clove powder, ginger powder, some all-purpose flour, mix, add to the baking tray, put inside the oven for 1 hour. For 1 hour, this is how it looks. Going to cut it nice and decent. Here me put some sour glaze sauce on it, some blueberry and mint. Nice and tasty, my people. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.